flood out there about 5 years ago. Yeah. The hurricanes begin. By the way, this isn't a hurricane. This is just regular wind, regular rain. Florida. Just a regular old rain. Regular old rain. Yeah. Just the normal rain on a Sunday morning here in Central Florida. That's all. Yeah, it'll shut down in a minute. Yeah. I think here comes the rainy part. The wind is pretty much over with, unless it, of course, I don't know. But looks like the windy clouds have passed. Oh, here comes more. Whoa! Clearing a few limbs off the trees, no big deal. No big deal. Just some normal stuff for Florida. Yeah. That's what I say. Like some more windage is coming. You can kind of see it coming with those trees back there. There comes another one. Yes, hey! Uh-oh. Listen. Oh. Some water. I don't think my phone can handle much water anymore, water anyway. Yeah, there's some lightning. Oh boy, it's getting tough out there. Get in here. My phone is, I don't want to ruin my phone. Of course, anything that isn't nailed down will be blown away. Taking the phone limbs off again. This some rain, a little bit of wind, a little bit of thunder, a little bit of lightning. Well, I think I'll shut her down. I've seen it live. I've seen it before. But yeah, that's, I think that was like a microburst. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Strong winds that come down, boom. That's the tropics for you. I'm sure if I turn on the news, it'd be tornado warnings for this area, flash flooding, and strong winds, lightning. So we just make up the news as we go. We don't waste our time too much with TV here, although it is helpful. Alright, so I got some trash to pick up. I had it all neat and organized. Now it's doing what it wants to do. Okay. You can see my prediction was wrong. Okay, it's stopping now. Yeah. Yeah. So I'll have a little bit of a cleanup. Not too bad, really. Not too bad. And I'm shooting through the screen door to block off some of the rainwater. My phone. I'm hoping that it's okay. It says it's still recording. 8 minutes. Oh, that's a long video, isn't it? I think this is the first storm actually recorded. Yeah, there's so many, I don't know. You get used to it. You say, oh, okay. Yard waste pickup. Everything is bundled and tied and under 40 pounds. Okay, maybe I can go back outside. Yeah, it's coming. There's another one, I think. Yeah, here it comes. Whoa! A bunch of water on the phone again. All right. There comes some more rain. What can we do with all that rain? I've got the camera pointed towards the east. Not directly east, but a few degrees north. So whoa. Oh, going on the 10. let's got a lot of palm fronds over there across the street. Let me pan in there. Yeah. It's all nice and tidy. But now it's no big deal, really. Like I said, it's just rain. Another day, another Sunday rainfall. It's like rain on a Sunday morning, but it's I guess about 4 p.m. or maybe 1. About 1 p.m. All right. The thunder's way over there now. It used to be over there, and now it's over there. Okay. I guess that's all, folks. One more little microburst, maybe? Come on. What you got? What you got? Oh. Well, anyway, you get the idea. Later. Okay, I'm back. 2 minutes later, just about to shut the front door, and I heard tap over there and tap over there and tap. So that sounds like hell. We may get a little hell. Capture the hell. There it is. See the ground? See the ground? There we go. We got hell. Let's go look at the hell. Damn it. Darn it. Ooh, that's some big hell. Uh-oh. That looks bad. That looks big and bad. Big and bad. I hope it stops. Of course, we haven't had hell that big, and it's about quarter size. Quite a while. So we got hell. Not a lot yet. A few bouncies on the ground. Of course, any bigger than that, and might have some vintage. So I guess it isn't like your average rain on a Sunday morning, because we're getting hell. Oh, I gotta get in the house. Raining all over. Whew. Oh boy. Okay. Pretty clean water. It's bouncing off the street out there. I know you can't see it, but it's out there. It's still coming down. Let me try to zoom in with this. Once or twice, there's a few bouncies. I don't think you can see it. Oh, you hear that? Uh-oh. That sounds like a big one. And let's hope that it ends quick. Yeah. See that one piece of hell I threw out there I had in my hand? It's still sitting there. It's not even melting. This is Florida ice. Natural. Boink. There's another bouncy. Well, I don't think that there's any more to see other than what I've already shown you. So there's another little piece of hell. I mean, it just could, the hell could just start pouring down, you know. That's the only reason why. That's the only reason why I got the video. I don't know how interesting that would be, but because of course other people are out there recording the same stuff with better equipment and faster upload speeds, all that. They're good at making videos. I'm just the average lunchbox Joe, making a video off my phone. Probably be 2 or 3 hours before it uploads. My neighbors, I feel bad for them because they got all these trees over there. And they got a little boy over there. They had, I guess he's like 4. And they have new cars and stuff over there. I just feel bad because I don't want anybody's property to be destroyed. You know, that's how we get to work and get to the doctor and how we get to the stores. Oh, there's a lot more hail coming in. It's by their vehicle, so if it's the windows are smashed, then you know they can't drive it because it'll be unsafe. Ooh, there's kind of a big one. The wind is getting cold too. The rain is a little bit cold. See, I can feel it hitting, misting me in the face and arms. And so I can hear the hail going kink, kink, kink on everything. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear it hitting one of my neighbors has a metal building, sizable building. It's like a 30 by 40, and I can hear it kink, kink in the background. Of course, I have really good ears. hearing, I should say. I got really good ears. Well, I got good hearing. Little ears, but they work. People get bored with long videos, so I don't know. Maybe I'll edit this one out. All my talking, all my nonsense. Watching cars go by. More windage. And let me wipe my lens off again if I can find the dry part of my shirt. There you go. I don't know what happened to my light. Maybe the power went out. Oh, the power went out. I didn't know that. So see? No light. No power. No power. I got plenty of bugs though. Making their nests everywhere. So we have a tree undoubtedly fell over and hit the power line. And it's usually an hour. Depending on the severity. If they're just working on the power, they usually give you a warning, like shut the power on and off 3 or 4 times, and then the power goes down. And then it's usually between 40 and 45 minutes to an hour when they get it back up, because they're just working on it. But when it's something like this, it might take anywhere from an hour to 2 hours, because they have to cut down the tree and fix maybe a pole's down. That might take a little bit longer, but they set a new pole and they run, patch up the line and then flick the switch. And hopefully it's just not in one little area. So I think it's just straight up rain from here on out. My unauthorized guess. So, uninteresting and unofficial. So I'm just going to go ahead and shut her down. Alright guys, stay safe, stay dry, live well. Oh wait a minute, we got action, you get to see a fire engine drive by. Woo! Sounds like it's coming this way. Maybe, maybe not. No. No. Going down the highway. Alright. This time for real. I am shutting it down. For really real. Really real.